and all winter long when it was cold, I just piled this right full of stuff that I collected along the way. And I have lots of DIY projects, so stay tuned. I was going to show you this light. Oh, next project. I guess I'm fixing this chair. I picked up this light, and it's going to be a really cool focal piece. I think I'm going to put it in my kitchen. Put new wiring and a new light in it. It's gorgeous. Today I'm going to show you how to make your own chalkboard paint. 2 ingredients, super easy. You probably already have the ingredients at home. It's great to make a chalkboard frame, or you can make a chalkboard wall in your home. And today I'm going to do a step-by-step tutorial to show you how easy it is. If you like DIYs, thrifting, repurposing, you've come to the right place. We'd love for you to like, subscribe, and follow along. Okay, let's get started. Okay, you need flat black latex paint, and you need plaster of Paris, and that's it. I've got 1 cup of the black paint, and I'm going to put in 2 tablespoons of the plaster of Paris. Okay, I'm just going to use the end of the spoon, and you're going to stir it really, really well. It might feel really thick and it might feel clumpy, but that's normal. Just keep stirring, and it'll come out to a very thick consistency. And there you have your cheap, easy chalkboard paint. I had this piece of wood in my shed for quite a while, and it's actually a top of an old table that I had, and it already had a coat of flat black paint on it. Not chalkboard paint, just flat black. So I'm going to give it a real good coat of the chalkboard paint. Now that first coat has dried really well, and I'm just going to take the sander all along the edge because I kind of want to have it look distressed along the outer edge because it has a really nice kind of ruffled cut to it. And as I started sanding, the paint from the previous table started to show through, and I really like it, so I'm going to leave it at that so it's exposed. Give it a real good sanding in between coats. I'm just getting it ready for the second coat. I think the raw wood that I sanded around the edges, I want to make it a little bit darker, so I had a little cloth with some stain left on it from my last project, so I'm going to rub it all around the edges and see how it actually makes that little white border stand out too, and it darkens the wood a little bit so it looks more rustic, more antique. And I just used a Minwax stain. Okay, I just finished up the last coat. I'm just going to put a little bit more on just to make sure I've got everything all covered You can do 2 or 3 coats, but 2 coats if you put it on thick is enough for a chalkboard. When it's all thoroughly dried, you want to season your chalkboard. Take a piece of chalk on the edge and rub it all over the area that you've got the chalk paint on. If you don't do this, when you write on your chalkboard and you go to rub it off, the lettering will stay there and it will not rub off. After you've seasoned it, you want to take a dry cloth and just rub it really thoroughly all over, and you're all set to hang it up and write your messages on it.